Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be that second, let me get my life together. That second tutorial I said I was going to show you on how I wear makeup when I have my glasses on. Today's going to be a little bit more focused on the eyeshadow, no liner, just a nice pop of color just so you can see through that frame. Yeah, so what I like to do when I do this, I like to, you guys know I like warm tones. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions, those little cute palettes. Do you see she came out with more? I think there's a peach one. I probably need it, but you know, whatever. So yeah, super cute, super tiny, very travel friendly. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're at the same place I was last time. Always stuck in this nowhere land. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the first shade right here, which is this nice little tan shade. It's kind of a little bit too dark than what I want for a transition color, so I'm actually going to mix it with this very, very pale banana color. Boop, boop. And that's going to be our transition shade.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told ya, it's the best light I know.
Okay, so you can't really see it, but that's okay. That's what I wanted. That's why I mixed it with the lighter color. And as you could tell, I'm still dragging it out pretty far and taking it pretty high up. Just because, you know, we're going to be wearing glasses and because I have little baby eyes. So, you know, it's just what we got to do. Alright, so now going in again with this light tan shade, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, so my Sigma E40, and I'm just going to pick that up by itself and kind of focus it more into the crease line.
In a pocket, I wanna find a new keeper. I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found my own way. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing, my love.
Okay. Alright, and now going in with a taper blending brush, I'm taking my E13, which is used to death and loved very much. I'm probably going to need to buy a backup though, because I feel like it's getting a little tired, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to mix this really pretty peachy color with that more orange shade up at top. I love mixing shades. If I can use all the shades in one go, I will, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to start putting that kind of like I'm putting it on the crease, but bringing it lower onto the lid as well, and I'm just doing that over the whole eye. Oh, the whole perimeter of the eye, whatever.
Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something.
Okay, and then going back in with the E27, not picking up any additional product, I'm just going to blend everything out before we start putting in the really deep colors.
There's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend.
Okay, so now for the fun part. Going to take a Morphe R42, which is a nice little flat shader brush from the Rose Gold collection. And we're gonna go in with this bright color here. It's more of like a red, like a coppery red, but look how that pops out. Like, dang girl. And that is gonna go right onto the lid. So we're just going to put it there. And starting mostly at the part close to my eyelashes and then kind of blending it upward.
I think we're made of something. I keep my time in a pocket. I wanna find a new keeper. I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found my own way. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing.
Okay, so now that we got that color laid down, yes. My dogs are acting crazy again. I'm going to take this really adorable little whale brush I got. I forgot, what does it say on here? Glamour Dolls. Yes, so cute. They have little whales on it. I love whales. And we're going to go in to, again, mixing more colors, guys. We're gonna mix, oh, wrong one. We're not gonna mix that one. We're gonna mix this dark, deep burgundy, brownish color here with this dark purple up here. And we're going to put that on the outer edge and also on the inner.
Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.
Okay, and now that we got a majority of that laid out, we're going to go back into the E27, except this time we are going to pick up a little bit of that and a little bit of that, what we use for the transition, and just blend everything out again. Now, I'm pretty messy when I blend out at the end like I'm doing right now because, I don't know, I just feel like it just further smoothens everything out. Sometimes you can lose some pigment, but that's okay. I'd rather have it be completely blended and seamless rather than like patch, 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 patch. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the eyes and as far as shadow goes. I'm dying to put like a glitter on top of the lid, but when I wear glasses I really try to avoid glitter because a lot of the times the glitter does end up on my frames and then I can't see and then I got glitter on my eye and then my eyeball's ruined. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe away the, what is this? Baking, there you go. We're gonna wipe away this baking. Okay, so I'm gonna pop some lashes on, finish up the rest of the face, and then I'll show you guys how I do the bottom, and then we'll throw some glasses on. Okay, am I in focus? Now I'm gonna focus. All right, I'm back. So I just popped on some lashes. These are the style Honeybee by Coco Lashes. They're kind of like queen bees, except they're a little bit shorter. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I feel like the 2 pairs I got, I don't know, because I see them looking so nice in other people's photos, and I don't know. I don't think I like the band on them. Divas are still my favorite. I don't know, but they are perfect for wearing glasses because they are shorter lengthwise. So just threw them on. Nice, very lightweight, can't really feel them. Perfect for glasses. Like I said before, guys, wear lashes that you know aren't going to be killing you throughout the day. So I already finished up my face. I'm just gonna finish up the lower lash line, going back into the Huda Beauty palette. I'm a mess. I am a mess. I'm going to take a, what is this? A Morphe E18, which is this little tiny detail brush. And I'm going to pick up the 2 darker colors that I used from the palette. And I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line towards the end.
I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something.
All right, and then to blend that out, I'm just gonna use my E13. I'm just going to pretty much dip it in everything that I used. Fun, yes. Work, girl, yes. Okay. And then just fluff it out. Okay, I still feel like I'm crying, but I feel like when you start getting water in your eyes while you're doing eyeshadow, like it's an emergency. You need to stop what you're doing and go handle it. Otherwise, it's gonna be a hot mess. So there's the end. I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lashes, take this hair out, put on my glasses, and I will see you guys. Did I say that? I don't know what I said. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, there's the final makeup. As you can see, I threw on a dark lip. This is actually Kat Von D's Motorhead, and it just wasn't going on as smooth as I would like. So I actually ended up mixing it with my ColourPop Luxe LA Lady, and it came out really nice. There's something about a pair of glasses with a dark lip that I think is just so classic looking, so nice. I think it looks perfect. You can go to the library, you can go to the bar, you can go wherever you want to, and then you still look put together. I just really love how this comes across with a nice like semi-monochrome eye and this dark lip. I don't really have much blush on. It's mainly just bronzer and highlighter, and it's just a very simple yet, you know, put together look that I think works well for anybody, whether you're a beginner or you're a pro with makeup. So yeah, so that are my tips and tricks on wearing makeup with your glasses. I know so many of us wear them and just try to be so dismissive and go out the door without even really attempting to put makeup on, but I think you could really embrace your glasses. Like I said, I love my glasses. They allow me to see. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Hold up.